Are you confused about nested navigation? What is it and how does it work? Don't worry. In this video, I am Rakibul Islam going to talk about the concept of nested navigation and explore its practical applications. In the previous video, we discussed simple routing where screens are stacked on top of each other like a deck of cards. But what happens when you need to navigate within a screen or section of your app? That's where nested navigation comes in. Take for example the bottom navigation tabs in this app. We have two tabs here, Home and More. Within the Home tab, we have another screen called Nested Home, and the same goes for the More tab. When we navigate to the Nested Home or Nested More screen, it's creating and maintaining two different navigation stacks. Now, if we switch tabs, we can see that we have two different navigation stacks within our app, each corresponding to a different section. This is what we refer to as nested navigation. Let's dive into the code demonstration and see how to implement nested navigation in Flutter. We have to go into the app router, which is in router.dart file. And here we're using GoRouter for navigation, and assuming you are already familiar with its basics. Let's simplify the process first. First of all, we define an initial path for home and three keys, one for the root path and other two for nested routes. Then set up our router with the initial path and base key. Inside route and index stack, we have builder, and builder is like an app container, like who will hold the whole structure of your app. In this case, it's a bottom navigation. It's bringing the navigator, and our bottom nav have two options, which are home and more. And on change, it will change the route with the past navigator through the widget. And then we have branches. It's the stack of inner routes. Again, inside it, we have a main route, home, and under that, list of nested routes. So this is for home. As route, we have home, and inside home, we are redirecting this to nested home page on button branch. And again, doing the same for more page. And after doing this, when we will switch tab with bottom nav, it will switch its route, but will keep the stack. When you will back to the previous option, it will be same as previous.